Hi guys, my name is Riaz. Today we are going to see how to create a database in SQL Server 2019. To do this, we have to open the SQL Server Management Studio. Let's search for it. Okay, I'm here, I got it. So click on the Management Studio. To create a database, we can do in multiple way, either using the GUI or by writing a script. So first, okay, and also here to log in into SQL, we can use either Windows authentication mode or SQL Server authentication mode. For now, I'm using just Windows authentication. Click connect, expand the database, and okay, to create a database using GUI, right click on the database and click new database. In the database name, we can give the name of the database. I'm going to create as my first DB. And here we can see a couple of rows. First one identifies a data row and second one is a log row. The extension for the data will be .mdf and for the log file will be .ldf. Here we can change few settings if we want, but for now I'm leaving as it is. Maybe I'll create another database and there I can change the initial settings and change the path, all the stuff. We'll have a look. Here it says by default 8 MB and it says the auto growth by 864 MB and the maximum size is unlimited. We can change unlimited to whatever MB we want or growth by percentage or megabyte. We can change whatever we want. For now, I'm leaving as it is. And here, but the default location where the files are get stored. So if want, I can go and copy this location, and if I go and search for that one, it doesn't open. So I just delete the data. Here we have the data folder, but still we are unable to access. If we right click open, even then it doesn't open it. It's more secure in a way. So, and whenever whenever a database is created, it's created in the database name like my first db.mdf, my first db.ldf. I'm not changing anything now. So click OK. Now our first database is created. So if you want to check the MDF file and LDF file, it doesn't allow us to open the data folder. But let me check in the command prompt. Like open command prompt and cd, paste the location. It says access denied. So I'm going to close this one and open the command prompt in administrator mode. Run as administrator. And here I paste the path. I'm able to open it. So let me check what other files are there. Here I can see my first db.ldf and the log file is my first db underscore log.ldf. And here if you see is 8 MB and 8 MB, which was by default. Uh, so this is a one way. So second way to create a database is click on new query, and here the syntax to create a database is create database my second DB. You can give create database and database name. So this one is not case sensitive, so you can make it small or caps, it doesn't make any difference. And click on execute, our second database is created. So if I right click and refresh, here we can see our second database. And if I go in the command prompt and look for the file, here we can see my second db.mdf and .ldf file. As I mentioned before, I'm going to create another database by changing few settings. So again, click on database, right click, new database, call this one as my third DB. Here, instead of 8 MB, I'm going to change as 10 MB or make it 12 MB. I'm leaving this one. You can try by yourself the maximum limit or auto growth, but I'm going to change the path where it's going to store. So let me change this one to C drive demo SQLDB. Going to do the same for, we can also have MTF file in one location and LDF file in another location. You can try it, but for now I'm giving both in same location. And let me check, is there any file located in this one? So if I see C drive demo and SQLDB, I don't have any files here. So when I click OK, it will create two files with the name my3rdb.mdf and my3rdb_log.ldf. I don't want to create that name. Let me change my name as testdb or okay, third testdb.mdf. Since it's a file name, you have to give the extension. Here I can give third test underscore log db dot ldf. So if I click OK, now our third database is also created. Now if I go and check the location, here I can see the two files. If you remember, the MDF file I gave as 12 MB. I didn't change the size of LDF file. If you want, you can try it away. If I right click on MDF file, get the properties, it shows 12 MB. I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe to my channel for me to make more videos. Thank you.